Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Pedagogy in Practice. This week we're going to be looking at the series Canvas Best Practices and how we can keep our courses consistent for students. So let's get started. So continuing on the Canvas Best Practices series, this week we're going to look at how we can keep it consistent. So this best practice pulls together a lot of the other best practices. We can use text headers to modules to keep it consistent. We can limit course navigation to keep it consistent. But this is really important because it can really help reduce cognitive load for our students and create a safe experience and a safe classroom where students really know what to expect, and that sense of predictability and dependability can really create comfort for students so they can focus on the learning instead of trying to figure out how to navigate the course or what they even need to do each week. So 3 big things that we can keep consistent on are due dates, making sure that we have due dates set at the same time every week so students really know what to expect. They can plan for it. We can also keep it consistent in terms of navigation, using those modules so students know exactly where they can find all the assignments and quizzes and information that they need each week. And also we can think about keeping a consistent rhythm. So let's take a look and see what this looks like in an actual Canvas course. So if we hop over to this Canvas course, you can see here one of the ways that this module helps keep it consistent is that rhythm. So each week, if I have an overview, lecture and readings, assignments, and a wrap-up page, this can help students have a rhythm where they know what to expect each week. The other thing that I can do is make sure that the assignments have a consistent due date. So I can make sure that everything is always due on Mondays or whatever day it is. Or maybe I have it where the discussions are due a specific day and then the assignments are due a different day, but that's consistent each week. So students really know what to expect. And the other thing I can do is just making sure that students can navigate by having everything in the module. So instead of having students have to dig around in assignments or quizzes, dropping those assignments and quizzes directly into the module can help students have that consistent navigation. And just a reminder, we can do that by clicking the plus button, and we can add an assignment directly to this page. So we can do that for assignments or quizzes that are already created or discussions, or we can do that by creating a new assignment or quiz, and we can click Add Item. And we can drop that to the appropriate header. And that's it. I hope that helps and provides some insight into how we can leverage Canvas to create a sense of consistency for our students. Bye.